Welcome students, Standard 3rd, Subject GK, Chapter 15, Beautifully Lit Structures. Students, our country is known as Incredible India for a very valid reason. It is simply because the country is home to many beautiful places. Some of the places offer some breathtaking views at night, as some structures are lit every day and some lit on certain day. So let's see about it. First of all, let's see about everyday lit structures of India. First, Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. The Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India in New Delhi. Exotic building really makes us feel proud about the Indian heritage. Take a night walk to experience a different Delhi at night. Second, Golden Temple of Amritsar. The Golden Temple of Amritsar is one of the most beautiful and magical locations. The Gurudwara is open 24/7 and one can make a visit to this place at any point of the time, but visiting during the night makes the place even more attractive with all the lights which in turn make the gold plating to glow and sparkle even more. Third, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus of Mumbai. The iconic Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus railway station has been lit up with at least 16 million colorful lights. The heritage structure is lightened using 25 themes, which changes during every festive occasions. The technology of LED fittings, which has more than a million combinations of light, has been used to illuminate the station building. 4. India Gate of New Delhi. The India Gate is massive structure which attracts a large number of visitors at all times of the day, even after the sunset. After sunset, the place undergoes a sudden change by lit up it. Fifth one, Akshardham Temple of New Delhi. Akshardham Temple is a huge temple and a beautiful blend of various architecture. Akshardham Temple looks absolutely spectacular in the night when the lights shine on the pink sandstone. Students, we have seen beautifully lit structures of India which our textbook contain. Now, let's see about another beautiful lit structures of India. Mysore Palace of Mysore. Mysore Palace is also known as the Ambavilas Palace. Mysore Palace is not lit from evening and through the night, but the palace is illuminated for 3 minutes every day after the sound and light show. But it is illuminated for public from 7 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. on Sundays and public holidays. Next, Marine Drive of Mumbai. The light placed across the seaside pathway is called the Queen's Necklace. You can see here, देख रहा है ना ऐसा जैसे क्वीन का नेकलेस हो ऐसा, which adds on to the beauty of city of dreams. This is a identity of Mumbai. Next, Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple is pure marble structure which glimmers brighter than the stars in the night sky. A huge white marble structure is seen in its full glory when all the lights are turned on. Next, Ganga Aarti at Varanasi. A beautifully choreographed ceremony which is performed by a group of young pandits, all draped in the shades of saffron. The ceremony, which takes place every evening, is known for its iconic Aarti. These diyas of Aarti acquire the power of deity. The Aarti takes a special significance of the river Ganga. Next, Indian Parliament at New Delhi. The Parliament of India is the supreme legislative body of the Republic of India. Since 1915, every year on 2 occasions, Parliament is lit up using 22,000 bulbs. Each bulb is 25 watts. But our Prime Minister said in 2015, in line with the Save Electricity campaign, to calm down the power bill from the lightning. Since then, Parliament building shines in the light of LED lamps. Nearly 24,000 LED lamps are being used and are brighter than those used in the past, and each lamp of 3 watts consume 8 times less power than regular bulbs. Students, we have seen that some beautifully lit structures of India, but what about Diwali? दिवाली तो त्योहार ही दियो का है, दिवाली तो त्योहार ही लाइट का है ना. सो दिवाली इज one of the most important festival of India. It is a festival of lights. At the time of evening on the 5-day festival Diwali, cities, towns and villages are all over India are bright with twinkling lights. People illuminate their houses, walls and terraces with lights or diyas. On the Diwali evening, the sky is lit up with the crackers, flower pots, sparkles and rockets of various color beam and make the night look like day. Students, we have completed our chapter 15 here. Now it's quiz time. Tick right the correct answers. First, the Gateway of India is located in A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Kolkata. And the right answer is A. Mumbai. Second, the dash is a famous structure in Kolkata. A. Gateway of India, B. Howrah Bridge, C. Golden Temple. And the right answer is Howrah Bridge. So students, we have completed our chapter 15 here. Okay, thank you everyone.